Guys, we're going to be doing some smash burgers, and I'm going to be doing them on the E-Series Blackstone 17-inch griddle versus the regular Blackstone 17-inch griddle coming up. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. All right, so what are we doing here today, guys? I went out and bought me the new E-Series Blackstone electric griddle, and I've plan on using it for indoors. But the one thing I want to do, and I may do some more versus videos along the way, but I wanted to get a smash burger on it, and I wanted to make sure that it's seared up, added a crust, all that good stuff you love in a smash burger, the same way it's done on the regular Blackstone griddle, with the rolled steel, so you get that good crust on there, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn these both up really high, but take it to 500 on the E-Series, and then I'm gonna put it on high on the regular Blackstone, the propane one. All right, so they're both the 17-inch Blackstone, just one's the electrical one's the propane one. They have both really different surfaces. All right, so the E-Series has a non-stick surface, the ceramic titanium coating. All right, and then of course your regular Blackstone has that rolled steel. All right, so totally different surfaces, but we're gonna heat them up and we're gonna see what happens. All right, so come on down here. Obviously I'm outside today. I took the lid off of the E-Series. I don't like using the regular one inside, but I can bring electricity outside, so that's why we're doing it both out here, and it's gonna be a nice little side by side. All right, let's get going. We got this Blackstone lit, we got it on high. Now let's get it over to here. On the E-Series, we're gonna turn it on, and then we're gonna turn it all the way up. All the way up. All right. Sets the temp, and the bars will start flashing along. I'm pretty pumped up for this. I'm always, like I said, trying to bring the outdoors in, but I wanna see if we can do smash burgers the same way, and if we get that good crust. All right, so I'm excited about this. We're gonna do double smash burgers on each. So we got two patties, two 5-ounce patties, give or take. I got two spatulas here. This bad boy right here came from Greg at Ballistic Barbecue. He left this at my house. We did a little collaboration burger, and I'll put the link for that right up here. Make sure you check it out. On the E-Series, we got to use this spatula, this plastic one. All right, so we got the hardcore smasher for the regular one, and we got the not so hardcore smasher. So as always, I'm gonna use a little spice jar. Today we're gonna go with a little Cosmos Q Texas beef. All right, sounds good to me on a burger. We're just gonna use some American cheese. All right, these double burgers, we're gonna do double meat, double cheese. Got some brioche buns. Just for all the haters on American cheese out there, hit the thumbs down twice, I don't care. American cheese on a smash burger goes together like stuff that goes together, all right? Fight me in the comments, you don't want none. While we're waiting for the E-Series Blackstone to get heated up, I got some butter down on the regular Blackstone. In all honesty, the regular Blackstone is gonna come up to temp a lot quicker. So it's just is what it is. You're using fire, you're using steel. With the E-Series, you're using, the electric. So, regardless, they're gonna be tasty, we're gonna be fine. I'm not worried about it. It is what it is, but I got these beautiful brioche buns. I'm gonna get them down, get them nice and buttered up. These will toast relatively quickly, and I wanted them toasted up first because one, it's heated up, might as well use it. Two, I want to get these burgers on the buns as soon as possible, get them juices flowing up into them. Good stuff. All right, these should toast up relatively quickly. We'll go too far from these bad boys right here. Don't leave your buns out and unattended. All right, that's a tip from CJ to you. All right. Move those around, those are heating up a little faster. All right, looking good. Let's get these off. There's a lot of butter in these buns, so they're gonna toast up really nice anyway. All right, team, one thing I wanna point out is it's taking at least 10 minutes to get to this point, and we still got 3 more bars to hit on there. So just kind of keep that in mind when you're doing a high heat temperature cook like this. It's gonna take a hot minute. All right, y'all, we got the griddles ready to go. I'm gonna put a little knob of butter on the E-Series one and a little bit thicker chunk of butter on the other one. It's gonna be hard to remember to use 2 different spatulas, but I'm gonna give it my best. You do not need butter on the non-stick, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it anyway because it adds good flavor. And then again, I didn't realize what a challenge this would be trying to manage both of these, but I'm up for the challenge. So let's get 2 burgers on. We'll get 2 burgers on the E-Series, 2 on the regular Blackstone here. Give them a hot second to kind of come together on there. These burgers aren't packed all that tight. I wanted to, you know, have a loose kind of smash burger in there. So we're gonna let these go for a hot second. Pull these off. I'll just keep one handy for the smashing. Get that Cosmos Q Texas beef on there. It's a pretty healthy burger, so you could put a little extra on there, and it gives a great flavor, great smell. I'm gonna smash regular Blackstone burgers first. Then on the other one. All right, let's get these other ones smashed. I doubt you're gonna get the same amount of crustification on there, but we'll see. Kind of oblong shape there. That's okay though. And I didn't mention before, but we're using 80-20 ground beef on this. So that's 80% lean, 20% fat. All right. That's smushed a little bit more there. Okay, we're gonna let these come up. Okay, on these, you can see it's already starting to gray up, cook up quicker. You knew it was gonna happen on the E-Series Blackstone. You know, it's gonna take a little bit longer, I think, to cook, but we'll definitely see how it turns out. The original Blackstone burgers are cooking a lot faster. Clearly we got that good crust. A little breezy out here, sorry about that. We'll go ahead and get these cheesed up. These will be done a lot sooner. Let's get these bad boys flipped over. Could be worse. Oh, that's funny. So if you look at it, there's a little itty bitty crustification in there. Little. I mean, you can see some dark spots. Yeah, not bad. All right. Okay. Is it the most pretty thing in the world? But let's put some cheese on it. We'll be fine. They'll taste good. They're gonna be okay. All right, so you can see. Oh, that's funny. All right, come on back. All right, let's get these burgers put together on here. All right, so we got our nice toasty buns here. Get these burgers on. Plenty juicy, plenty tasty. I'm using the plastic spatula on the regular Blackstone. Don't tell anybody. Here we go. Looking pretty good. Not bad. All right, guys, we're all done. Look, you know what you're getting when you buy the indoor griddle, okay? You're not gonna get the crust that you usually get off your road still because you got a non-stick griddle, okay? If that's anything that factors in your decision on buying this E-Series, then just know that you're not gonna get that good sear, that good crust. It's just like using a non-stick pan in the house. You can cook with it. We're gonna do other cooks on the E-Series. We may do more verses. I'm still trying to figure that one out. Actually, you know, comment down below if you'd like to see what you'd like to see on versus the old school one to the new E-Series, okay? Because I need some ideas on that. Guys, I'm working on the affiliate link for Walmart, so you guys could order these online, but unfortunately, Walmart likes to take their sweet time with all this, so just is what it is. All right, I'll have an Amazon link down below for the regular 17-inch Blackstone, but until Walmart gives back to me, I can't put one for this. So if you're watching this a few months in the future, there should be a link down below for it if you want to get one. Okay. If you guys want to become part of CJ's crew for real, hit that join button down below or click this link to my Patreon. All right, there's a bunch of behind the scenes stuff, good stuff I do over there. Kind of helps out the channel. Every little bit helps, right? So become part of CJ's crew for real. If you want to get my cutting boards, knives, all that stuff, CJ merch, all down below in the description. Hit show more. As always, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff you're supposed to do with your YouTube videos. And that's it for this week, guys. Hope you have a wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.